never seen this one before. Maybe you have. This is a East or West BLACKTHORN 3400 ROK 4-season camper with Asdale sidewalls. Got a step above step with the handrail there. Yeah, got a very clean look on the outside, so that's what kind of attracted to us first. Let's go inside and take a look. Looking inside, it's pretty clean.
Yeah, this is great. It has a very nice, clean aesthetic. It has great things in the kitchen happening here. You have 2 extensions on either side of the bar.
Yeah.
So, and it has the pull-out trash can.
Elevator right there, up and down. Looks like there's radio in there. It's got the short fireplace there.
Lots of storage space.
Nice fixtures.
Large. We have a large pantry with adjustable shelves.
So solid surface countertops. I tell you, this is the Furrion 12-volt fridge side by side, which I really like. It really, and don't get mad at me for saying this, but it really has a lot of, even look at this. It has a lot of Brinkley-esque appointments. Maybe that's just me, but it looks similar inside, which is not a bad thing. No.
No. Now, you know, the construction of the cabinetry and things are not
quite up to par with
are not
that,
equal.
But it's very nice. I mean, it's very nice. The color scheme and just some of the things, the appointments.
All right, so check out this patio.
Cool. Got steps down that way.
I do like that, having it on the opposite side of your entry door, so it gives you a little more versatility.
Yeah.
But check out this little outdoor bar area. It has a refrigerator, a sink, lots of little storage space, a televator. The TV does hide up into the cabinet. And then you have this great little outdoor sitting area that you can put a little awning on if you wanted to, but you can really, you know, maximize your time at the campground.
Right. All the entrances, the exits have the handrail there, so I like that a lot. Yeah, I mean, it's got plenty of seating, giant TV right there.
I like this combination dinette where you have a bench and seating, and then there's a little hidden storage in here that you can put your games in.
That just makes sense, you know. I like those chairs a lot.
They're nice and sturdy. A lot of RV furniture is not put together very well.
So, pretty standard bathroom. It's got a very familiar looking toilet paper holder that attaches by magnet to the wall, though. That's actually a really good idea. Shower, 60,000 BTU on-demand water heater. Looks like it's a Suburban. I'm glad to see a lot of the manufacturers are moving to just the tankless water heaters.
It just makes sense.
Yep.
So here you have the day and night European style shades. You do have the storage under the dresser. As you can see, you know, there are some differences. You have this huge walk-in closet, which has a washer dryer prep also. Yeah. It does have the little shelves over the windows, which I do like. And it would probably be hard to get a king-size bed in here, though.
Yeah, this is a king-size, isn't it?
No.
No? Okay. All right, looking on the outside, you got a big pass-through storage here, like most fifth wheels do, but nice. It looks like it comes with the expandable ladder, so that is really nice. What is that? Shower. You got a cable and power hook up there. We've got a 30-pound propane tank. Like the Asdale sidewalls, makes a big difference. Lippert Rhino box. Okay, we got cable slides. Got the BAL cable slide. Light. Oh, that's nice. Yeah. We like those lights underneath there. So I've got your pull handles here. Your knobless system, shower. That's come through pretty nice. Looks like they made a access place here where you can get to some of the plumbing and the cable, which is nice. Probably going to be the other side propane tank. It is. So this back big slide is rack and pinion, and just the standard fold up aluminum steps right there, but it does have the safety rail by MoRide there, so that's nice. Yeah. So she is cute. Who knew? So the yeah, that's the ladder, is the Lippert ladder, the ladder we saw in there. So that Lippert ladder hooks up, I guess, to that and gives you a stable area to hook your ladder to, so you can get up on the roof. Nice. Oh, and I just noticed. Look at that. Got a nice Gerard awning that's going to come out and cover this whole area. So amazing. Very nice. Yeah, we've got a hitch back there for probably a little towing, not a lot, but yeah. All right, guys. East to west, Blackthorn.